Grand Theft Auto 5 is a popular game. Find out why. In 2013, GTA was released. It was $60 and you could play it everywhere with a console. Kids and parents can play the game. It has shooting, car chases, and criminal jobs. You can get lots of money, so I suggest you get the game because it is an exciting role-play game. In the city of Pittsburg, miles left the Foreman Journal. The video game Warzone Pacific is a great game. Find out why. Warzone Pacific was released on video game consoles in 2020. Parents, grown-ups, and kids can play the game. You can play the game everywhere with a console TV. It is about a game where everybody fights solo or on a team. You can play the game if you are bored and want to have fun. In the city of Pittsburg, miles after the Foreman Journal. A wildfire evacuation at 6:15. A fire evacuation happened at 6:15 on Friday. It happened at a Delta Vista golf course. The Pittsburg neighborhood was affected by it, and it all happened by a grass fire. In the city of Pittsburg, miles after the Foreman Journal. 2 priests killed on Monday. They were killed at a church in northern Mexico. Their names were Xavier and Caesar, a religious order also known as the Priest Killers. Reporting from Mexico, miles after the Foreman Journal. Real Mandarin win the Champions League. Real Mandarin defeat Liverpool to win their 14th Champions League. They won 0-1 from Vinicius' goal. In the city of Paris, miles after the Foreman Journal. Former football coach loses job for praying after game. On Monday, former football coach Jeff Kennedy fired for praying after games. Then he files a lawsuit and wins. This all happened at Bremerton High School in Washington. In the state of Washington, miles after the Foreman Journal.